Well, today on the Schroeder farm is this little piggy's last. It's part of life, you know. So that's what you gotta do. Good piggy. So just kind of documenting it. Kind of sucks, but yeah, we got to shoot it and then put it in the truck. You know what I mean? So it's going to be a little rough. Something that you raised since he was a little piggy. Probably the happiest little pig I ever seen. But he's definitely been lonely lately because of his brother. Oh, Puggy. And he's about to be sausage. This is just a part of life. It sucks. Really, really, really freaking bad sometimes. But I look like shit. But this is another part of life of being on the farm. It's rough, tough. And some people might not see it that way, but like they're like, damn, it's just a pig. But yeah, I get attached sometimes. Do something special. Here's your last chance. Start talking like a human or something. I don't know. Love you, Piggy. You're going to be good food. Going to bless my family. There's this little happy mud pit. This happy little area where you got to run around. This is a good pig, him and his brother. Brother got $1,900 at the fair, which is really good. Come on, Piggy, Piggy, Piggy. Come on, Piggy, Piggy, Piggy. Come on. Get it out of your system, buddy. Come on. Come on, Piggy, Piggy, Piggy. Come on, Piggy, Piggy. I think he'd follow me. God, why is this so hard?